In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use connectors in draw.io diagrams. Draw.io is a fantastic tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts, and knowing how to effectively use connectors can really enhance the clarity and professionalism of your diagrams. So let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to draw.io. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL draw.io to get started. Once you're there, you'll enter a workspace that looks similar to an empty canvas. This is where your creative process begins. After you've accessed draw.io, it's time to bring your ideas to life. You do this by selecting the shapes you want to use from the left-hand side panel and dragging them onto the canvas. These shapes will serve as the building blocks of your diagram. You can choose from a variety of shapes, including squares, circles, and other geometric forms, to represent different elements of your diagram. Once you have your shapes placed on the canvas, you can start using connectors. When you click on a shape, you'll notice blue lines or handles appear on the sides of the shape. These handles are your starting points for creating connections between your shapes. Just click on one of these blue handles and drag your line to another shape to establish the connection. This action seamlessly links your shapes together and visually represents the flow or relationship between them. Next, head over to the Style panel. Open this panel to explore the options for customizing the appearance of your connectors. This is where you truly get to express your creativity and ensure that your diagram isn't just informative but also visually appealing. Within the Style panel, you find several options to modify the connecting lines. For example, you can adjust the sharpness and thickness, allowing you to emphasize certain connections or ensure they are clearly visible in larger diagrams. You also have the ability to change the color of your lines, which can be particularly useful for distinguishing between different types of connections or flows. Beyond these settings, you can dive even deeper into customization by altering the overall style of the lines themselves. Whether you prefer dashed lines for a subtle touch or bold lines for more prominence, adjusting these elements can help you achieve the perfect look for your diagram. By following these steps, you'll not only have a clear and connected diagram, but also one that effectively communicates the relationships between your elements. Remember that a well-structured diagram can be a powerful tool in presentations, reports, or any context where visual clarity is essential. I hope this guide makes your diagramming process smoother and more insightful. Stay creative and see you in the next video.